What's going on, folks? Gonna do a look at the Atherton Step 2 raised planter box. This is a black onx. Honestly, easy to put together, and we're just gonna show you how it looks here. Probably gonna put this out on the patio area, but wanted to do an in-depth look so you can see how it actually looks. How nice and polished it is. Had this for a while, and it was easy to put together. Out in the sun, it's not fading or anything. And then the planter beds here, so optionally you could screw a hole in the bottom right here for draining the water out of the bottom. So it has like the little marks here, which I chose not to do, but since I'm gonna bring this outside, I am probably going to do that. So anyway, here is an up close and personal look of how it's made. Stack these here. But yeah,